What's up? What's good, y'all? Thank you for tuning in to Lady K TV. Let's take a moment, go ahead and subscribe so you can join the Lady K family. Yeah, go ahead. But yeah, let's get into this video. So today, I will be installing this 24-inch deep wave wig from Isee here. Yes, this is my favorite wig right now. I won't be using any glue to install this wig today. However, I will be using GOT2BE spray. I only use GOT2BE spray for a quick hold, not when I don't want any longevity basically. So something I could take off later on tonight. I will use this when I'm going to go shoot a YouTube video, or for pictures, or to run to the store, or for a quick gathering or event at the end of the night, but not for anything like vacations or water or anything like that. So as you can see, I will not be doing the full ball cap method. I will not be bringing it over my ear, cutting it off, and putting makeup on there. No, this is a quick install. The whole purpose is to do it quick. Well, not to do it quick, but to have something that I can take off at the end of the night that's easy to take off, basically. So yes, I put 2 to 3 layers of the GOT2BE spray, and I dry between each layer just to give it a stickier hold, because one layer tends to kind of move once I go try to do my baby hair. But if you put about 2 to 3 layers, you're good to go. Their lace is so good. I love Isee's lace. It blends right in. Make sure you go check out the unboxing and my review video of this wig. It's my initial unboxing review and the review after I wore the wig. I combined it in one video. Go ahead and check that out. I'll link that video down below. that's it. The GOT2BE spray is real easy. It's all about spray, dry, hold. Spray, dry, hold. So here I'm gonna swoop my baby hairs a little bit. I will be using my Roby foam just to go ahead and put them in place. I won't be doing major baby hair because I am gonna wear a side part, so you'll only be seeing one side of my baby hair anyway. So yeah, just watch, stay tuned. So I'm just going to use some regular black strips to tie my hair down. Regular black strips from the beauty supply store, Sally's, wherever you go. And just to hold my baby hair down. Now this part is very crucial. It's important that you tie your hair down with something, whether it's a silk scarf, a strip, a shirt, whatever you can find. Tie an elastic band, tie your hair down and let it dry, because this is what's going to make it hold in place and give it that sleek look. This is like the finishing touch. So tie your hair down and dry it, and while your hair is tied down, go ahead and style it. the Lotta Body Curl Activator. I put that in towards the end just to keep my curls flowing and bouncy all day, and just to keep that wet look going all day. Now that it's dry, I can go back in and fix my baby hair up a bit because the lace will not move. So I can just put everything in place and intact, give it one more last dry, and I'm good to go. Baby, I'm good for a couple hours. I'm good till the next day, really, next morning. So that's it. Not bad, right? Quick and easy on the go. Don't forget to check out the videos I linked below of my initial review on this wig. And you guys, I love you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Mwah.
We supposed to be the no stress in the world of stress. No one relaxation in the world of chaos.